Homeward Bound Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. The Role of the Christian Home, September 5th. That ye would walk worthy of God, who hath called you unto his kingdom and glory. 1 Thessalonians chapter 2, verse 12. The restoration and uplifting of humanity begins in the home. The work of parents underlies every other. Society composes of families, and is what the head of the family makes it. Out of the heart are the issues of life. Proverbs chapter 4, verse 23. And the heart of the community, of the church, and of the nation is the household. The well-being of the society, the success of the church, the prosperity of the nation depends on the home influence. The importance and opportunity of the home life are illustrated in the life of Jesus. He who came from heaven to be our example and teacher spent 30 years as a member of the household at Nazareth. Concerning these years, the Bible record is very brief. No mighty miracle attracted the attention of the multitude. No eager throng followed his steps or listened to his words. Yet during all these years, he was fulfilling his divine mission. He lived as one of us, sharing the home life, submitting to its discipline, performing its duties, bearing its burdens. In the sheltering care of the humble home, participating in the experience of our common lot, he increased in wisdom and stature and in favour with God and men. Luke chapter 2, verse 52. During all these secluded years, his life flowed out in currents of sympathy and helpfulness. His unselfishness and patient endurance, his courage and faithfulness, his resistance of temptation, his unfailing peace and quiet joyfulness were a constant inspiration. He brought a pure, sweet atmosphere into the home, and his life was as leaven working amidst the elements of society. None said that he had wrought a miracle, yet virtue, the healing, the life-giving power of love went out from him to the tempted, the sick, and the disheartened. In an unobtrusive way, from his very childhood, he ministered to others, and because of this, when he began his public ministry, many heard him gladly. The Saviour's early years are more than an example to the youth. They are lessons and should be an encouragement to every parent. There is no more important field of effort than that committed to the founders and guardians of the home. No work entrusted to human beings involves greater or more far-reaching results than does the work of the father and the mother. It is by the youth and the children of today that the future of society is to be determined, and what these youth and children shall be depends upon the home. Thank you for listening. Hope you can join us again tomorrow. This is your daily devotion. Homeward Bound.